In this video, we will be going over the assembly and setup of the Infinity SmartChair. The only tools required for assembly are a Phillips screwdriver and an Allen wrench, which both come included with the chair along with all other required screws and parts. Once you have positioned your chair in a clear space, before starting the assembly, you'll want to bring the chair into the upright position. To do so, connect the chair's power cord to a power source and plug it into the respective port on the back side of the base of the chair. Flip the power switch to on. Then, plug the remote cord into the input jack, also located on the back side of the base of the chair. Bring the chair into the upright position by pressing the red power button on the remote once to turn the remote on, then once more to bring the chair into resting position. Next, attach the backrest cushion and airbags by draping it over the top of the chair and zippering it to the zipper located on the top of the back side of the chair. Then, on the lower left hip side of the chair, locate and connect the air hose to the air hose tube on the body of the chair, as well as the power input to the power output tube, hand screwing it into place. Similarly, on the lower right hip side of the chair, locate and connect the 3 air hoses from the backrest cushion to their corresponding air tubes based on the numbers labeled on each. Finally, zipper the base of the backrest cushion to the zipper on the seat cushion. In the next step, you will be installing the arm sections of the chair. Before placing the arm sections into place, you will need to remove the outer components of the 2 white bushings located on the side of the chair. Unscrew the outer pieces, leaving the base pieces attached to the chair. Set these 2 pieces aside, taking note that the larger bushing goes in the upper rear position and the smaller one goes in the lower front position, as you will need to reattach them to their specific mounts after placing the arm onto the body of the chair. Once those are removed, locate and attach the 2 armrest air hoses to their respective air tubes on the chair. Then, place the arm onto the shelving on the side of the chair, using your body for support to hold it in place while you open and pull up the zipper flap to access the opening. Then, reattach the front arm bushing with its screw and washer, hand screwing it into place. Shimmy the back of the arm until it secures into place on the armrest lock. Next, reattach the rear bushing back onto its mount with its screw and washer. Using the provided screwdriver, tighten both the front and rear bushings firmly into place. Finally, cover the opening using the provided plastic cover panel and then zipper the leather cover flap shut. Repeat this process for the other arm. In the following step, you'll attach the shoulder pieces. Ensuring the clip sides are facing in, connect the red plug until it clips, then the white plug until it clips, and finally, slide the metal joint pins into the openings on the chair until the shoulder piece secures into place. Next, on the inside of the chair, locate and open the small sliding door where you will see a screw. Screw in tightly and then close the sliding door when the shoulder piece is fully secured. Repeat this same process on the other side of the chair. In the final step, connect the footrest by attaching the white plug from the footrest into the port on the body of the chair. Ensure the thumb release is facing up and push in until it snaps. Next, slide the air hose onto the white connection tube. Slide the footrest in and shift it until the coupling shafts are properly aligned with the screw holes located on the underside of the chair's seat. Lift up and pull back the flap on the footrest as well as the seat cushion in order to properly place the footrest into the bottom housing of the chair. Take 2 of the small Allen wrench screws and hand tighten them into these 2 coupling shafts, followed by firmly tightening them with the provided Allen wrench. Finally, zipper the footrest flap to the zipper on the bottom of the seat cushion. You have now completed the assembly of your new Infinity SmartChair massage chair. In order to ensure that everything is working properly, run the chair through a cycle like the extension program. For convenience, attach the remote holder by attaching it to the Velcro on the underside of the left arm if you have a SmartChair X3. If you have an original SmartChair, you'll need to locate the small cover on the left arm, screw in the controller holder into the opening, and then place the cover back. Check that all the airbags are fully inflating and that the massage roller track is functioning correctly. If everything is running smoothly, you are good to go and ready to unlimit your wellness. Enjoy, and thank you for joining the Infinity family.